Nature is beautiful. Enjoy the short. It's about just staying outside. There's a mountain in the distance. There's some juniper trees right there. Got some hummingbird nectar right there. Zooming in right there. There's hummingbird nectar. And you can see the clouds and the blue sky right there. It's beautiful. There's also another mountain over there. You can see it right there. And there's an oil plant over there. I'll try zooming in on it. Where is it? There you are. It's a little oil plant. And that's not good. So, yeah, that's all for today, guys. Bye-bye.